The city of Cambridge, Massachusetts is over 177 years old and is rich with history. One of the older and more historic landmarks is the fire department headquarters, Station 1. In late 2022, they decided it was time for the almost 90-year-old fire station to undergo some much-needed renovations. The renovations are estimated to take approximately 2 years to complete, which would leave Engine 1, Ladder 1, and Rescue 1 of Cambridge's fire department without a place to remain operational and in service of the surrounding community. The challenge here was to quickly erect a temporary home base for Station 1 to remain operational while renovations were being done. This was no small feat, as traditional methods of construction are experiencing longer build times due to labor shortages, supply chain, and inclement weather due to their geographic location. The city of Cambridge was now left with a very complex puzzle to try and piece together. That's when they consulted with Ted Galante of the Galante Architecture Studio, who not only brought years of experience solving difficult problems, but a unique perspective. His answer to the problem was a little over 2,500 miles away, with Extreme Modular Buildings, located in Alberta, Canada. Extreme Modular Buildings is a modular construction company who focuses on commercial, municipal, and industrial facilities. They create heavy-duty portable structures that are built to completion inside their factory and then shipped out to their final destination. What makes these buildings extreme is that they have a hydraulic system to mechanically raise and lower their roofs. The roofs are lowered to allow for easier transport, and then they are raised to their full height once on site. With Ted's vision cast and Extreme Modular Buildings' solution, there was just one missing piece of the puzzle left to solve: a general contractor who not only had the desire and experience, but the ability to pull off a project of this magnitude. Enter W.T. Rich, a locally renowned construction management company who is adept at bringing large-scale projects such as this to life. For this specific job, W.T. Rich and Extreme Modular Buildings worked together to craft 4 modules to meet the exact needs for Station 1 Fire Department. The units measured 54 foot in length, over 17 feet wide, 14 foot tall while lowered for transport, and weighed in at 110,000 pounds each. Shipping modules of this size over 2,500 miles through 2 provinces and 9 states is a large undertaking. Every province and state the modules were transported through has their own transportation requirements and permits. Transport of these mods took a ton of planning and coordination and took approximately 6 weeks to deliver to Cambridge. However, getting the 4 modules to Cambridge was just one piece of the puzzle. Utilizing a staging yard, which is essentially a holding yard for the modules until they arrived in Cambridge, allowed W.T. Rich and Extreme Modular Building to coordinate deliveries with the crane on site. The route from the staging yard to the build site was approximately 3 miles, which at first glance doesn't seem that far, but this route took months of preparation and planning from multiple city departments. Trees needed to be trimmed by a certified arborist, traffic lights needed to be lifted and moved by utility companies, bus and emergency routes needed to be rerouted, and residents in the area notified of the project ahead of time. While this might all seem like a daunting task, Extreme Modular Buildings and W.T. Rich worked together seamlessly to coordinate the logistics, making this solution about as turnkey as you can get. Every time a module was transported from the staging yard to the job site, a 600-ton crane would lift the module off the truck and set it into place where they are then connected together. All the firefighters from Engine 1, Ladder 1, and Rescue 1 will work out of this temporary fire station until the renovations of Station 1 headquarters are complete. Pulling a project of this magnitude off takes a ton of coordination and behind-the-scenes work. The City of Cambridge partnered with Extreme Modular Buildings, W.T. Rich, the Galante Architecture Studio, Harvard University, Cambridge, Boston, and Massachusetts State Police, the Cambridge Fire Department, Bayside Engineering, Harnum Industries, Astro Crane, and Extreme Modular. This collaboration gave Cambridge a brand new temporary fire station and is a testament to the innovation, teamwork, and power of modular construction.